Hi world, it's Plush2x. This is part 2 of me eating strawberries. Check out the first one. So now this one here, I already cut out the strawberries and put some sugar in there, let it soak. And I'm going to mix it up with some lemonade. Jersey in the house, Plush2x in the house. Now, see? Got y'all. Y'all was about to sing Mariah Carey part, right? Alright, I'm gonna let it play. But yeah, I don't put the strawberries in. I just like the strawberry juices to make it like a strawberry lemonade, you know. I'll be sipping my lemonade and throwing no shade. Check out my Mimi, it's coming out. Ooh, it's so sweet. Add some water to it for the sugar, for the strawberry. So yeah, let y'all hear Mariah Carey part. I'm over here DJing.